Today, we're comparing two powerful project management tools, Airtable and Basecamp. Both offer unique features that can help streamline your team's workflow. We'll look at different aspects such as features, pricing, and performance to help you decide which tool is right for you. Airtable, essentially a spreadsheet on steroids, offers a variety of features, including flexible views, rich field types, and a robust API. It's great for organizing virtually anything. Basecamp, on the other hand, focuses on communication and collaboration with features like message boards, to-do lists, and schedules. It's ideal for teams that need to stay in sync. Airtable offers a free plan with basic features and paid plans starting at $10 a month. Basecamp charges a flat fee of $99 a month for unlimited users and projects. If you're budget conscious and have a small team, Airtable might be more cost effective. However, for larger teams, Basecamp's flat fee could be a better option. Airtable's interface is clean, colorful, and easy to navigate. It might take some time to learn all its features, but once you do, you'll find it highly customizable. Basecamp's interface is simpler, with a focus on ease of use. It's intuitive and doesn't require much training, making it a good choice for teams that need to get up and running quickly. Airtable can integrate with a wide range of apps, including Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Basecamp also offers integrations, but its list is shorter. If you rely heavily on third-party apps, Airtable's larger ecosystem might be more appealing. Both Airtable and Basecamp offer reliable performance, but there's a slight edge for Airtable when it comes to speed and responsiveness. Basecamp, while not slow, is not as snappy as Airtable. If you value speed, especially when handling large datasets, Airtable could be the one for you. Both platforms take security seriously, offering features like two-factor authentication and data encryption. In terms of support, Airtable provides email and chat support, while Basecamp offers email support and a help center. Both companies have good reputations for responsive and helpful service. Airtable's flexibility makes it scalable for businesses of all sizes. It's ideal for teams that need a highly customizable workspace. Basecamp, with its flat pricing and user-friendly interface, is well suited for large teams that require a straightforward, collaborative platform. The winner depends on your specific needs. Airtable shines with its flexibility, extensive integrations, and scalability. It's ideal for teams needing customization and integration. Basecamp excels in simplicity, user-friendly design, and flat pricing. It's perfect for large teams needing efficient communication. However, if we had to pick one, Airtable slightly edges out for its comprehensive features and versatility. Thank you for watching our comparison of Airtable and Basecamp. We hope this has helped you in deciding which tool is right for your team. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this one.